Hey guys, welcome to Baffles World. How are you doing? So today we have a surprising new video that's going to be featuring my boyfriend, and he's going to be doing something that he knows nothing about, which is doing my skincare routine. So I haven't told him any instructions, I haven't told him anything, even though he did ask me to tell him what I'm going to be doing. So he's right now lost, so he's right now trying to pretend to be nice and funny on fucking camera, but honestly, no. So what he's going to be utilizing is the products that I've shown almost like consecutively on my channel, which is my skincare products, all by Nature Republic, and all of them, well, some of them are based off aloe vera and some of them are just based off mud. He is going to be applying them on my face. If you guys don't know this, he watches all of the video content that I create to make sure that they're on par or, you know, of quality. So he is my test subject and he's kind of shy, so bear with me. What is the first thing that you think you're going to be putting on my face today?
I think this one.
That one?
Yeah.
Or the other one? Because there's two of them that look the same.
No, this is the one that you use like once a week. So this is the daily one.
What's the name?
I don't know.
So he's gonna be putting on the JEJU Sparkling Mud Foam Cleanser. So he chose correctly. This is the one that I use daily, and this is the one that I use either once or twice a week, even though I never did twice a week. You may start applying this.
Okay. So let's try and see. I have to put a little bit over here, right? Okay. And then I'll put it.
Put it on my face.
You're supposed to turn white.
Ah, you tickle it. No. Put it more like the chin. It tickles. The fuck? Don't poke my eye out.
Okay.
Wait! Don't touch it. Let me see. Shit. Put it on my forehead. What does it tickle when you do it?
I don't know. Got
Okay.
magic fingers.
You should. So this is the first. Is this your first time doing a skincare routine or like applying something on someone's face?
Yeah.
Yeah? How do you feel about it?
It's kind of weird.
It feels weird?
Yeah.
No. You need to go a little faster because this dries on my face.
But you see, it's turning white. Like on your video, so I'm doing it right.
Yeah, but why do you think it's turning white? Ow.
It's supposed to be
Don't
white.
play with that. Yeah, but what makes it white?
I don't know. I don't worry. You're gonna look nice.
Do you think this is a mask? you think this
Yeah.
Do you know what it is? What is it?
I know it clean, like it's for clean the face.
Okay, so you watched my videos. What do you
Yeah.
think this is supposed to be doing right now? Or what do you think you're supposed to be doing?
I don't know.
Yo, before you make me get an acne or some shit, you're supposed to wet the your fingers or something like that and pass it on my face so that it gets soapy.
Oh, that's why.
Thought it was a mask.
Yeah.
I was gonna, yo, you were gonna fuck me up. Yo, wet your fingers for me, please, a little bit. Yeah, and now like pass it around my hand.
Okay.
In a circular motion. No, why do you keep? Can someone please tell me why does he keep touching this corner? Stop touching that corner. It's tickling. I'm gonna bite you. Yeah, you see now. Yeah, but you have to be careful with my eye. Please do not make me blind. I need to be able to see shit.
Okay, I need to.
But yeah, but do it with the hot water.
Why is hard already?
Because the cold water is gonna close your pores. The hot water opens your pores.
I'm getting paid for this.
Yo, yeah, you'll get paid. Don't worry. You just wait on the check. It's gonna be delivered. Careful with my hair. By the way, this is Bantu knots that I did on myself. If you guys want to see how I do it, comment down below. You need to speed this up. You are leaving this so dry on my face.
Sorry. I'm
Yo.
sorry. I think I'm done.
Soap it on my face. I don't see soap here.
Because I can't even reach that section.
Do it in a circular motion.
Like that.
Yes, you see?
Oh, yeah, I feel nice.
Ah.
Oh, sorry.
Come on, clean my face. My nose.
Wait.
Oh, he's getting mad. He's getting pissed. Yeah, but scrub my nose now. This way it's the look he just gave me. The look he just fucking gave me. Yeah. I feel like Rudolph.
Huh. I think that's
You can get
enough,
it
right?
right. So you think this is enough?
It looks like, yeah.
You know, before I die, can you please wash this up? You did a good job. Thank you so much.
My hands are clean now, so what's the next step to do?
Wash my face. So I'm gonna do this
Yeah, please.
because I don't trust you to wash my face. Oh, I know. So I have to wash my face now. How should I wash my face?
With water.
But what type of water?
But you said that the cold one is gonna close the pores, so you have to use the hot water.
So hot water on my face?
I mean, not hot, like a little bit of both of them. Like,
So makes like lukewarm.
yeah.
Ah! You saw that, right?
Still white. You still have on your hair too.
And I'm done. Towel boy, can you please give me my towel?
Huh?
Do I dry my face or do I not dry my face?
Yes, you have to, because we're gonna put the other things now. So
Okay.
you see, I watch your videos.
So, what some of you guys probably don't know, he actually sometimes, well, most of the videos, or like half of it, are filmed by him. So he is my cameraman whenever I need a second viewpoint. He helps me record, you know, my videos, whether it be the funny voiceovers or like certain like other videos. He helps record.
Yes, I'm getting half of the money.
Please, what money? Why are you so? Why are you a gold digger?
Huh? We're gonna put the not the emulsion. We're gonna put the tone, right?
The who? The tone?
The tone.
Yeah, we're gonna put the tone on my face, babe. The toner.
Yeah, that thing. For this, I can do it with my, like, you know, my fingers.
However you believe. Yeah, with fingers dry is okay. But however you believe it should be applied, you apply it. So this is how you're gonna apply it.
I guess. And then I go like this.
Oh,
This one is a little bit easier. And I know something about this product.
what do you know?
It's made with aloe vera. Aloe vera, that thing?
Aloe vera. Aloe
Yeah,
vera.
aloe vera. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Don't.
outside. You complain too much.
It dried. You know, it dried on your hand, right?
I like the bubbles.
It's dripping on my foot.
So that can get clean too.
You put it.
Give me your nose.
You put it.
Give me your
Yeah.
nose.
Yeah, but you didn't put nothing on the cheek.
Because I can't reach there, you gotta turn around.
How can you reach it now?
Because you turn around.
You didn't put it in the corner. You didn't pay attention to my videos. My videos say I hate. You. This is the third way that you put it here in the nose.
I can put the one.
Now on my. He picked up the ones that are on my leg and he's like putting it on my face now. If I get a bacteria now.
This is money now, you know.
Money. You put here?
Yeah. Okay.
No.
Yeah,
So one reason why I'm not letting him completely do it on his own, even though he is doing it on his own, is because at the end of the day, with guidance, at the end of the day, I want my face to still be clean. So, yeah. Now what's next?
The this thing, the one that he always complains that never comes out of the bottle.
See, I'm not the only one that can't pronounce it. It's just a complicated thing because it's like emulsion, but like I read on a comment that someone put, emulsion.
And then, oh, I see what you meant on the last video.
You know what he told me when the first view when he saw that video and he said, "Babe, you're stupid. How? Of course, if it's full." It doesn't mean that it's gonna come out of the tip. Like if it's full, it's too condensed that it's not gonna come out. Now look at him. Professor, I thought you knew what you were doing.
Oh God. Well, it's coming out.
I think that's, you know.
Like, okay, I think this is enough. And like you told me, we gotta lift lift this part. Okay?
Let me what? Why do you like touch it that side? Start with my cheeks. Oh my god. You touch my jawline. Come a little closer so people see my face.
Okay.
Look at my face. Food. It's me. We're gonna do you later. Comment down below if you guys want to see me doing the skincare routine on Jose. He doesn't like it. He hates it. Like, he hates whenever I try to clean his face or anything like that. I don't know why. Oh, pero I want to ask you a very important question.
Yeah.
When are you planning to get my chin?
Huh? Oh. Okay, we are done. Okay.
You massage it good on my nose and my hairline? Why?
Yeah.
So, you mean to tell me you finished? My face is ready.
Yeah.
Like, that's it.
No, you gotta clean it now. No, you gotta wash again and then dry. It's not what you're supposed to do. I don't know.
I'm gonna show you the last step. You massage it fully around the face.
That's too much for
to
me.
get the product evenly distributed. You left me looking like a greasy fry or something. You see? Now I'm pretty. Okay.
Yeah, thanks to me.
Yeah, I'm just kidding me, thanks to me.
Yeah.
So,
And now we do. Oh no, this is the. Okay, we are done.
I want to let you guys know, so since you guys are already here, if you guys are a new subscriber finding this channel for the first time, feel free to subscribe for more fun videos like this. If you guys are interested in skincare, oh my gosh, skincare routines or skincare products, feel free to watch any one of my other videos. I'm gonna block him, so I want all the attention. Now you can check my skincare routine, or you can check my skincare product review. You can also oh my god, I love you.